Today, I will share how to create this typography poster using Affinity by Canva. Open Affinity, click this plus button. I will use A4 size portrait, double click. I will work in the vector section. Go to artistic text tool, click it, and click on the page or type the text here. Click this move tool, increase by dragging the corner. Click here to change the font. I will use Franklin, a thick font. I will use Franklin Gothic Demi. I will increase the size. I put on the top. Press Ctrl J to duplicate. I will drag it down here and change the text to Mahomes. And I will drag it here so it has the same width like the top on the top. Now click here and then click vector and click new work group and click quad. I will move it to the top like this and also on the right one. Make sure you click this node, okay? And then go to move tool, click on the Patrick, go to vector and new work group, quad, and then drag it here and drag it here. And then to change the color of this Patrick text, click here on the set fill and then click here. I will change it to gray. Click here and then click on the set fill and then drag it to the other color and then add the photo of Patrick Mahomes here. I will drag it here, increase the size, and then on the layers, move it here. Okay, so now we have it. And then if you want to save it, save the project, click File and click Save and add a name and click Save. And if you want to export it for printing or for upload to your social media, click File and click Export. Click Export. You can choose the file type PNG, SVG, PDF, or PSD, etc. I will choose PNG. Click this. I will choose this PNG. You can also change the background to transparent. Just click here on the matter and hold it here. Okay, I will keep it here. Click Export. Choose the border and click Save. Okay, so now we have it. Please hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next video and happy designing.